These abandoned theme AI videos are going viral right now, pulling millions of views, and people are quietly making serious money from them, especially on TikTok and Instagram. This person's video got 145 million views, and if we consider a 0.5 RPM on the video, he has made more than $70,000 from this single AI video. But here's the problem. No one really wants to reveal the secret. The real sauce magically lives inside their paid course. But in this video, I'm giving you the actual method for free. No aged accounts, no guessing why you're stuck at 0 views. I'll show you how to make these abandoned-style AI videos using mostly free tools, how to make them look real instead of fake, and how to structure them so the algorithm actually pushes them. And I will also tell you a method to earn without monetizing the account yourself. And trust me, if you miss even one step in this video, you'll end up with content that looks cool but dies at 300 views. Most people think these videos go viral because they look creepy. That's wrong. They go viral because they follow 3 rules. Creepiness over beauty. If it looks too clean, too perfect, or too AI-ish, people scroll. Second, logic matters. If something in the scene doesn't make sense, the illusion breaks instantly. And third is movement. The human brain is addicted to motion. Static images die. Once you understand those 3 things, this niche becomes repeatable. Now let me show you exactly how to do it. How to make the videos. Go to one of the popular videos of this account, screenshot any frame from the video like this. Then went to Google Gemini and selected Nano Banana. It's 100% free. Upload that screenshot to it. Now go to this prompt document and copy this prompt. Let the last part of the prompt as it is, and in this bracket, put whatever you want to do. For example, I told it to change the character from Shrek to Po from Kung Fu Panda. You can see it's very high quality, but you will see that it also generates this unwanted parts in the image. Just ask it to remove it, and it's going to remove it. For example, I asked him to change his pants color from red to blue and add toys beside him. And you can see it generated the perfect image. Now you can even ask it to generate the angles, add or remove stuff, or anything you can imagine. Creating a sequence. One image is not a video. We need a storyboard. Go back, Google Nano Banana, and ask for the same scene from a front angle, then a close-up detail shot. Now you have a wide shot, a profile shot, a detail shot. Now we will download all our images. This instantly makes your content feel cinematic instead of lazy, turning images into video without ruining it. Now we need to add motion in the video. Alright, now to animate the images, I use Google Labs. Then I change the settings to frames to video. Now upload your first image into this. Then adjust the image to the perfect side of just choose Portrait 916. Now, in the prompt box, you can ask the AI anything to do, like zoom in, ask it to add dust particles, make the sunlight brighter, shifting shadows, or add floating dust. But listen carefully, the prompt here is not describing the character, it's describing the space. We are not animating the object, we are animating the space around it. Repeat this for all 3 images. Congratulations, you just made a short film. Editing, where most people fail. Now, we need to edit the video to make sure our video looks better than other creators who just directly upload random AI stuff. To do that, first, drop the clips into CapCut. First thing you'll notice, they look cool but too clean. So we dirty them up, lower the temperature, add a slight green magenta tint, crush the shadows, add vignette. This creates discomfort, and discomfort keeps people watching. Then add a mist or fog effect. Not too much, just enough to add depth. This tells the viewer's brain, this is a movie. Alright, that's all. I hope you liked this tutorial. Here's the video I generated.